Hello everyone, this is Shrawan Sir, making maths simple for you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Karna Maths Academy. Today in this video, we are going to solve one of the most important questions, which is from matrix and determinant from class 10 optional mathematics. Here we go. Dear students, the question is, according to Cramer's rule, find the value of x for 4x minus y equals 11 and 2x minus 3y equals 3. Dear students, in this question, we are given two equations of straight lines, or we can say two linear equations, and by solving the given two equations of straight lines, we have to find out the value of x by using the Cramer's rule. Dear students, now we are going to find the value of x by solving the given two equations by using the Cramer's rule. Dear students, the first equation is given 4x minus y equals 11. This is the first equation, and the second equation is given 2x minus 3y equals 3. The first equation is 4x minus y equals 11, and the second equation is 2x minus 3y equals 3. Now we are going to solve these two equations by Cramer's rule, and we have to find out the value of x. So dear students, the first step of Cramer's rule is we have to make a table. We have to list the coefficient of x, coefficient of y, and constant. And always keep in the mind, the given equation of straight lines must be in the form of ax plus by equals c. That means at first the term containing x should be given, then the term containing y should be given, and on the right hand side there should be the constant term. Then only we can solve. Otherwise we have to rearrange the terms of the equation, and always we have to write down the given equation of straight lines in the form of ax plus by equals c. Otherwise we cannot apply Cramer's rule. We are going to follow Cramer's rule. That means in the first step we have to list the coefficient of x, coefficient of y, and constant. So listing the coefficient of x, that means at first we have to write down the coefficient of x, then we have to write down the coefficient of y, and then we have to write down constant terms. Dear students, let's write down the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is 4. In the equation first, the coefficient of x is 4. The coefficient of x is 2 in the second equation. Now let us list the coefficient of y. Let's write down the coefficient of y. Coefficient of y is minus 1. Minus y means minus 1 times y. So coefficient of y is minus 1. The coefficient of y is minus 3, and the constant terms are 11 and 3. So dear students, in the examination, this type of question is also asked in the long type questions. So dear students, the first step of Cramer's rule is listing the coefficient of x, coefficient of y, and constant terms. Dear students, now we'll find out three determinants. The first determinant is denoted by d. Now we are going to find out the determinants d, d1, and d2. Dear students, we know the value of x according to Cramer's rule is given by x equals d1 divided by d, and the value of y is given by d2 divided by d. So in order to use Cramer's rule, we have to find out the value of d, d1, and d2. That means we have to find out the determinants d, d1, and d2. This formula also we can write as dx divided by d. Dear students, d1 also we can write as dx, and d2 we can write as dy divided by d. So dear students, we have find out three determinants, d, d1, d2, or we can say d, dx and dy. So let's find out at first d. Dear students, d is the determinant of the coefficient of x and the coefficient of y. So let's find out d. D is the determinant of coefficient of x and coefficient of y. That means we have find the determinant of the coefficient of x and coefficient of y. The coefficient of x is 4, 2, and the coefficient of y are -1, -3. We know the formula of determinant of a square matrix is, the formula of the determinant of a square matrix is AD minus BC. If we take the difference of AD and BC, that means AD minus BC, then we get the determinant of a square matrix. So let's do the calculation. 4 times -3 AD, now minus BC means 4 we have to multiply with -3, and 2 we have to multiply with -1. 2 multiply with -1. So dear students, the value of D we get 4 3s are 12 minus the value of D we get 4 3s are 12, that means -12, and minus plus 2 1s are 2, -12 plus 2 we get -10. So dear students, the value of D should not be equal to 0, otherwise the solution of the given equation does not exist. So D should not be equal to 0. That means the given matrix should be a non-singular matrix. Dear students, now we are going to find out the value of D1. Dear students, now we are going to find out the value of D1. D1 is the determinant of constant and coefficient of y. While finding D1, or we can represent it by dx also, while finding D1 or dx, we have to delete the first column, and the first column we have to replace with the values of constants. So dear students, so we have to delete the first column, that means the coefficient of x, and replace with the constant. So if we replace the first column with constant, that means if we replace 4 2 with 11 3, then we get 11 3. Then coefficient of y is -1 -3. So dear students, D1 is the determinant of constant and coefficient of y. 11 3s are -33, and minus will be plus, 3 1s are 3. Dear students, the formula of determinant is AD minus BC. So there is minus sign in the middle. So if you multiply 11 and -3, we get -33. Then in the formula there is minus, and minus we get plus, 3 1s are 3. -30 plus 3 we get -30. So dear students, this is the value of second determinant, that means the value of D1. Now we are going to find out the value of D2. D2, or we can represent it with dy also. We can represent it with dy. So dear students, we are going to find out D2, the value of determinant D2. The value of D2, to find the value of D2, dear students, to find the value of D2, we have to delete the second column, and the second column we have to replace with constant. So dear students, to find the value of D2, at first we take coefficient of x, that means 4 2, and the second column we have to delete and replace with constant, 11 3. So dear students, D2 is the determinant of coefficient of x and the constant term. So let's find out the value of D2. Dear students, 4 3s are 12. If you multiply 4 and 3, then we get 12. 11 2s are 22. So dear students, now 12 minus 22, we get -10. Now according to the question, we have to find the value of x. So by Cramer rule, now we are going to apply the formula of Cramer's rule. According to Cramer's rule, the value of x is given by d1 divided by d, or we can write dx divided by d also. Dear students, the value of d1 we have got minus 30. So minus 30 divided by d. The value of d is minus 10. Minus 10. Dear students, minus minus we can cancel. When 30 is divided by 10, 10 3s are 30. That means we get the value of x, which is the required solution of the given question. Dear students, we are asked to find only the value of x, but we can find the value of y also if it is asked. Dear students, now to find the value of y, according to Cramer's rule, the value of y is obtained by dividing d2. That means the determinant d2, if it is divided by d, then we get the value of y. d2 we can suppose dy also. So dear students, according to the Cramer's rule, the value of y is given by the formula d2 divided by d. The value of d2 is minus 10, and the value of d is minus 10. So dear students, minus minus we can cancel. When 10 is divided by 10, then we get 10 ones are 10. This is the value of y. So the value of x is 3 and the value of y is 1. Dear students, we can check whether our answer is right or wrong. We can also check our answer. So for checking the answer, we have to take the first equation. We can take first equation or second equation, but checking is not compulsory in the examination. So we can check whether it is right or wrong. So 4x minus y equals 11. Now 4, the value of x we have got 3. So let's put the value of x 3 minus the value of y. Dear students, the value of y we have found 1. The value of y is 1. So if we put the value of x and y either in the first equation or in the second equation, if the value of x and y satisfies equation 1 and equation 2, then our answer will be correct. So 4th is 12 minus 1 equals to 11. 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. So 11 equals to 11. So dear students, so we have proved that we have checked that our answer is correct. The value of LHS and the value of RHS both we have got equal. That means the values of x and value of y which we have found satisfies the first equation. Similarly, we can check the values of x and y satisfy the second equation also. So this is the process to check our answer. So in the exam, if you have got time, you can check your answer also. Dear students, I hope that you have understood how to use Cramer's rule for solving the simultaneous equation of straight lines. Thanks for watching this video. Next time we'll meet with a new content. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.